I have just dug out a birdhouse. Bird table with a roof, and I think it really needs some redecorating. That's what I'm going to be doing. This is the colour I'm going to be using, Summer Damson. It's nice and summery, quite appropriate. Well, appropriate for summer, but it's actually been raining out the last week. I really want some sun. Anyway, so this is the colour I'm going to be using, and it's a pretty colour. I've decided to use it. I'm using it on other projects at the moment, and instead of going out and buying a big can of paint for a small project, I've decided to use what I already have. Makes sense, really. And here's the final project. I'm really happy with how it turned out, especially the bird at the front, and the roof looks pretty good too. I changed the string so it's white and matched the white paint. And if you want to see more projects coming up, I've got plenty of them, then please hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time.